That boy. I'm lapsing.
Well, we got another one done on this beautiful rainy day in October. Got us a 2021 GMC 1500. This one's got the 9-inch McGaughys lift kit with the 37-inch Furies and the 26x14 Hardcore wheels. A little bit different because we put chrome wheels on it, which is a cast aluminum over the forged aluminum that we typically do on these trucks. Come in right at, I think about 10,500, something like that total price. Check out the truck, tell me what you think. 2021, the Sierra. This is the year before the new refresh face that they came out with. Some people will argue that this one looks a little bit better on the front end. They came from Kentucky, drove about 6 hours to get to us. It's Davies, his name. It's our customer. I hope he watches the channel. I know he watches Alex's channel, but you know, Alex is a little bit bigger than I am on YouTube. But I do appreciate everybody that watches. We're getting there. 26x14 Hardcore. I think this is the HC22 in chrome. Of course, with the 37, 14, 50, 26 Fury MTs. Best riding 26-inch tire that we can sell. You got your McGaughys upper control arms. He went ahead and upgraded the cap to the billet face. I need to wash this off. It's kind of nasty out here today. Gonna long haul it back to Kentucky today. McGaughys cross members are always beautiful. I'm taking the 26s off the Tahoe and I'm putting some 28s on it. I've been wanting to do it for so long I couldn't stand it anymore. So there you go, 38, 16, 50, 28 Fury MTs. That's the 35, 15, 50s that I currently have. There's the difference. Well, I finally got my new wheels on. It's a lot bigger for sure. I feel like I have the same exact video every time I get wheels, but this one changed it for sure. They're a lot bigger. The truck finally sits up like I wanted it to. Finally has the presentation that I wanted it to. It's a lot taller. The front profiles always looked really good, but the side profiles what's always looked a little short to me. Kind of fills out the fender a little bit better now. All right, so I'm gonna take you around the truck, show you kind of the stance difference. It's about the same as my other wheels, it's just taller now. Still has the good wide look to it. All right, so the tires I went with are the Furies as usual, 38, 16, 50, 28s. Then 28 by 16 JTX. This is an Alpha. This is actually a dually wheel that they have. I really like the way it looked on a dually, so I kind of begged them to build me a set for this truck. So hopefully you won't see another set like this anytime soon. Same as every set of wheels I have. You know, I'll probably end up selling these pretty soon just because, keep them new, let somebody else enjoy them. If anybody wants them, just hit me up. But I really like the way it turned out. It's really scary when you buy a new set of tires and wheels because it's not like I can just box these back up and send them back. These were made, you know, for me. So nobody else is probably gonna want them. So I like the thinner tire on the 26s a little bit better, but I will say that the height of the truck overall makes up for the difference.